Let's go on. So the idea is to have this design as a reference point on how we can actually integrate the end-to-end data workflows from data upload on how the data that is centralized in the central database can be accessed by the user endpoint. So I'll be showing the workflow on a high level on what we have put together. So starting from raw data, once the data gets uploaded, using some of the ETL pipelines based on Airflow and Python. So we take the data that is uploaded on CKAN and we run these pipelines in the background so that once the data is updated, it is reflected on the central database. And the central database is kind of super flexible. So we have support for PostGIS right now, but the workflows can be extended easily through to other databases like MongoDB or DuckDB. And we have also integrated a role-based access control so that the access to the data is available only for the users who can access them. For example, Frank will be demonstrating on how the data is organized in terms of organizations, and then how we use that as a reference to provide access to the data, provide user access to specific data. And then this is the middleware layer that we have integrated so that the user endpoints, the users who are accessing the user endpoints need not directly read the data from central database, but there is like an interface like a geo server, or we have integrated a middleware layer to give access through APIs. So I'll be speaking a bit about that after we demonstrate the user endpoints. And user endpoints is the topic of the presentation today. So I'll be presenting some user endpoints that we have integrated to access the data that is organized in the central database. And overall, the workflow, what it does is it kind of unifies the data ingestion so that user has various options to upload the data through APIs, through bulk files, or he or she can update whatever data that they have through CKAN. And using CKAN, we can automate the organization. And through flexible storage, we can actually decide how we want to store this data, and all while we have a secure access to who has access to the data in terms of groups or organizations. And why it matters, because that allows the users of the platform to get faster insight in a very quicker time, to automate. Also reduce the manual processing of the data, and then better decision making using WebGIS and dashboard components that we have integrated. So the workflows can be automated. So once it is integrated, there will be a continuous monitoring as on when the data updates. And there's a data governance built in so that there is a role-based access control. And the workflow is scalable and adaptable, because each component can function independently. So the users of the platform kind of can decide what he or she wants.